Hi friends, I am Vamshi Krishna. I am from Karnataka, Bangalore. I pursued my articleship in Bangalore itself. Few of my friends who are pursuing their articleship in Bangalore, they have suggested me or they recommended me to go for masterminds and start your final preparation. I've struggled many times in IPCC that I couldn't clear. I took so much of time to complete my this thing group 2 in IPCC. So I thought of coming here and joining masterminds and start my revision. The main thing where we lack in final is planning. So we don't have to make any planning for preparation when you join in masterminds, because they give you a pre-planned schedule. You can go through that schedule, and it would be a very nice thing that you will have a pre-planned schedule where you don't have to spend more of time to bifurcate topics or subjects. So where I have to start, which one I have to start, or when to complete. So these are all things all pre-planned, which is there in the schedule. You can just go through it blindly and follow the syllabus. That will give you a better understanding of the subjects, as well as you will come to know that how much you are able to complete and how much you still have to complete. And then the exams they conduct is very nice, because that will give you the insight of how the final exams goes on, because you can't just go and attend final single this thing. If you have to attend final, you have to go through at least 2-3 times. You have to write some exams before the final exams, so that you will understand where you are doing mistakes and all. So that's why I joined masterminds, and actually it's good to be here because they have given us like proper time, and environment they created is very nice, where you could study. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with your supporting faculties. They will be allotting some faculties over here, so you will be having faculties to get clear your doubts. And the other part is revision exams. They conduct revision exams like in a good manner, like they will give us we will come to know that where we are doing mistakes in exams. So take law subject, you'll come to know where you've written the provision correctly, or did you give the conclusion to the case law correctly. That is what matters in the final exams. If you don't write it properly, what they've asked the question actually, and what did you answer, you'll come to know everything, because the valuation is good here. You'll come to know, they will give you the reasons why where you're doing the mistakes in the exams. So that is one thing. And I would like to suggest people who can actually they don't were lacking in planning, they can actually come here and join, and they can enjoy the studies here. Thank you very much.